You okay, buddy?
Look who's talking.
True.
You know, I went to Malaysia in my 20s.
Yeah, you told me.
Yes, I did do that because
Hey, what the fuck now?
my wife is sucking the life force out of me. No, literally. She's draining in some mystical way the life force out of me.
Yeah, that's some real horror movie shit.
Exactly, you know. She even said to me that she would have divorced me if I didn't get that promotion last year.
What did you do about it?
But
Wife is clearly a cunt. But what did you do about it?
I can change my wife's behavior. I can't.
Why did you marry her? If she was always like that, means her daddy didn't raise her well.
What do you mean?
Put her in line or get the fuck out. Where is your dignity, man? I bet she's not fucking Disney princess.
Oh. Just wow! You might be the wisest man I've ever met. No, really. We are drinking tonight. my name's Mark Hayes. I'm underpaid and overqualified engineer. Ray Coleman.
So are we gonna drink or what?
Well, my wife told me that... Shit! Let's do this! Puggy, pour my friend and me one, and a two, and a three, and I go. Ray. One, and a two, and a three, and I go.